Exercise 12.3. Question number 9 video. In figure 12.27, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle. AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other. They make an angle of 90 degree, and OD is the diameter of a smaller circle. So OD is the diameter of a smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, then OD is also 7 centimeter because OA is equal to OD. Radii of a same circle. So radius of this smaller circle is 7/2. Find the area of the shaded region. Very easily we can find the area of this shaded region. First of all, we will need to find area of semicircle. Minus area of this right angle triangle. Then we get area of this shaded region. After that, we need to find area of circle. When we add it, we get area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, we can find it very easily. First, we need to find area of semicircle minus area of right angle triangle. Then we get area of this shaded region. After that, we need to find area of semicircle, area of circle. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, then we get area of shaded region very easily. So area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle plus area of circle. Area of semicircle we can find pi r square upon 2. Area of triangle, which is a right angle triangle, 1/2 into base into height, plus area of circle pi, we can take 22/7. R, which is given to us as a 7 centimeter, minus 1/2 into base, which is AB. So this is 14, and height, which is 7 centimeter, plus area of circle, which is 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. By calculating it, we get 77 minus 49 plus 77/2. by calculating it. Do the calculation quickly. Do the calculation. Area of shaded region equal to 133 upon 2 centimeters square. How we find the area of this shaded region? Area of semicircle minus area of triangle plus area of circle by using all the formulas, because we are having radius of both the circle. Is it clear? Yes, ma'am. Comes to question number 10. This is very simple question. The area of equilateral triangle ABC is given to us. Area of this triangle ABC is given to us. With each vertex of a triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half length of the triangle. Find its mean. जो इसकी half length है, this is the radius. Find the area of the shaded region. Area of equilateral triangle is given to us. First, we need to find side of a triangle. How we find area of this shaded region? Area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. इन तीनों सेक्टर का एरिया अगर मैं ट्रायंगल में से माइनस कर दूं तो आई विल गेट एरिया ऑफ दिस शेडेड रीजन वेरी इजीली. Area of triangle which is given to us 17173,205, but we want for sector radius. तो radius के लिए first we need to find side of a equilateral triangle. So by using area of triangle is equal to under root 3 upon 4 a square. Area of triangle is given to us. Root 3 is equal to 1.7320. ये आ गया आपके पास 200. इट्स मीन ईच साइड इज 200 मीटर. centimeter. So radius is 100 centimeter. So very easily we can find area of these three sectors. Area of triangle is given to us 17320.5 minus area of sector we can find by using formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 degree because this is an equilateral triangle, or direct we can use pi r square upon 6. Here this is mentioned. You have to take pi is equal to 3.14. Root 3 is given to us r, which is 100 upon 6, because theta upon 360, which is 60 upon 360. By calculating it, we get and it is multiplied by 3 also. By subtracting it, we get 1620.5 centimeters square. Any problem? No, ma'am. Any problem, beta?
No, ma'am.
In this question, area of triangle is given to us. First, we need to find side of an equilateral triangle. After that, radius find किया. Radius के बाद by using area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of three sectors. Clear to you? Yes, ma'am. Come to next question. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular design, each of radius 7 centimeter, are made. Find the area of remaining portion of the handkerchief. You all can easily find, beta. This is a square. Radius is 7. हर सर्कल का रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर है, तो डायमीटर कितना हो गया? 14, 14 और 14. So side of square is 42 सेंटीमीटर. अगर मैं स्क्वायर के एरिया में से एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन area of square minus area of 9 circles. Then I will get area of remaining portion. Then I will get area of that remaining portion, yes or no? Beta, area of shaded portion. Yes, you all are comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Area of shaded portion equal to area of square minus area of 9 circle.
Yes, ma'am.
You can calculate it. Calculate it yourself. Calculate it yourself. Question number 12. In figure 12.30, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of quadrant. Easily we can find area of quadrant by using formula. Area of quadrant is equal to pi r square upon 4. R is given to you. Are you able to find it? Yes, you all are comfortable.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can find it. Now we need to find area of this shaded region. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. This is right angle triangle, 1 upon 2 into base into height. You can find it very easily. Area of quadrant निकाला हुआ है आपने, उसमें से triangle का area निकाल के minus कर दीजिए, then you will get area of this shaded region. You all are able to find it.
Ma'am, done.
Question number 14, same we have done. Question number 2 or 14, both are same. Question number 2. This question we already have done. Same. Area of बड़े वाला sector minus area of छोटे वाला sector. Then you will get area of this shaded portion.
Yes, ma'am.